Today's how to build is on this couch, table, and lamp. So this ginormous dark blue couch shows up in the sitcom part of Robots, Robots, Robots. The way I sort of designed this was I gathered together all my dark blue pieces and saw what made a good couch. So this big piece here on this side is a rowboat. So this is in the new, well, not new anymore, but pirate sets from a couple years ago. So let me take this apart. I think these are from the Agent's boat or airplane, something like that. So the first thing you're going to need to make sure you have are 6 of this piece. It's a bolt hole piece. Again, you don't need to have it in dark blue, but I think I also have some in orange, and I'm sure it exists in other colors, probably brown and tan and whatnot. But this is going to be sort of the base of the cushions for the couch. So 6 of these. But the first step I'm going to, so you can see all 6 of them back there, but the first thing I'm actually going to do is build this contraption that's going to connect the cushions. So this is a 2x16 plate. So start with this. This is going to connect the whole couch. Then down here what we've got is, this is a hinge plate. This is sort of a 4x4 plate and a 1x4 hinge. Very common in, I guess, like cars and stuff. At least it used to be. And then a 1x4 plate and a 2x4 plate. You're going to make 3 of those, like so. And each of them will connect off of the 2x16 plate, like so. And the other thing you'll need is a 2x3 plate with 2 cylinders coming down. And do in between those guys, like so. So this is going to be the base that you put everything else on. So take 2 2x4 plates and stick them together. Make 3 of these dudes. Then take one of your holes and put it in there. Do that 3 times. Now if you've got some of these half octagonal plates, if you've got 4 of them, that's perfect. So on one you're going to put it on like so. On the next one you're going to do 2. And then if you have another one, you should put it there. But if you don't, you can sort of make do without. What I did was I put some wing plates together just to sort of fill this space over here, because basically we're just trying to fill out the tops of what will be the cushions here. So once you've done that to those 3, take this thing again, and then we're going to connect these up. So it goes to there, and same thing there. Same thing there. Then we're going to take some 2x3 plates and fill this out. Fill this out like so. So this will be the back of our couch. So I built out the back of the couch with these big wing plates. So, because I had a whole bunch of them. So you fit 2 of them together, they sort of make a rectangle. And then if you take, so these 2 go the same direction. Then if you take one that goes the opposite direction and fit it behind, you can connect them. And I did that same thing with the opposite versions. So you got 2 that sort of fit together. And then I took some 2x2 tiles. Fill out like so. And then put this on the back here, line it up in the center. And on top, actually, should go down one more. All right. So, leave that up there, and then take another wing plate piece, and over here, this is a small wing plate. Again, that's just to fill out the curve of the sofa. We flip it around. Oh, that fell off. You can see how this just, those plates just fill out the top, that fills out the side. Got good start. So next, I'm going to take a hull, stick it right in the middle here. And then this hull, I've put a 1x1 with a 1 stud on the side. Stick that on that side. Do the same with one on the opposite side. Go there, close it up. Got the good top of the couch now. So for the bottom of the couch, you're going to need 8 of this piece. Sometimes it has holes in the middle. You can do it with or without. And 2 of this piece. So this is a 4x4, and this is a 4x6. And again, I had all these in dark blue, but you use whatever colors you've got. So we'll start connecting 3 of these. I had 1 with holes in the middle, with some 2x4 plates. So just line them up next to each other, connect them with 2 2x4 plates, set that aside. And then we'll do another 3 of those, except this time I connected them with some 2x2 tiles, but the plates would work just as well. Just have to have something to connect, and the color doesn't really matter because this will be the inside of the couch. And I've got 6 headlight bricks along the bottom here. Yeah, all 3 of these had holes. These are just connected by the back of the headlight brick, like so, and they're in the middle of each one of those 3. So those are the front and the back. Now we make 2 side pieces. So the side, start with one of these 4x6, put 4 headlight bricks on the same way using the back. Then connect with a 2x2 plate, one of these 4x6 plates. Then build on 4 headlight bricks. Uses a lot of headlight bricks. You could probably get by using like only 2 headlight bricks here and only 2 headlight bricks here, but I've got plenty, so not wasting them or not sparing them. Then use a headlight brick, connect it to a 1x1 with a stud like so. Connect it like this, and then build a reverse one of those as well. So do the reverse real quick. So then the way these connect together, so if we start with this piece, which goes in the back, then we take this one, connect it on the side, take the opposite one, Connect it on the other side. And then the front piece we'll just connect on to here. Snap those all together. Snap those all together. And you get a big piece like that, which just looks pretty cool this way anyway. But this is going to be the bottom of our sofa. So this piece that's sticking up here is going to connect right next to the other one that we put up here. So that's one place it connects. And then these that are in the front connects right onto this row right here. So we get this on top. Line up both sides. Put a little pressure. Flip it upside down. Connect over here. Reconnect as needed as things come apart, which is inevitable when putting together something like this. Luckily it's Lego, so it snaps right back together. Again, there's probably a sturdy way to make this, but I try to make things as quick and easily as possible. Alright, so we've got pretty much the whole couch, aside from the two arms of the couch, which again are going to be the rowboats. The only piece I've added to the rowboat down here is this quarter octagon plate. Like that on each one. This doesn't have to be that. You could put some other plate there just to make it stick out a little bit. And then we've got these two holes here. They're going to fit right into the last two there. And same on the other side. We've got our big blue couch. Looks so comfy. Just want to sit in it. Next, we're going to do this table. This table is not very sturdy. It follows one of the properties that I use a lot in animation, which is only build what you can see. So if we turn it over, we'll see that it's kind of ugly on the bottom because it's sort of pieced together out of what little dark blue brick I had. So this top bit is just a whole bunch of 1x6 tiles. Some of them have stickers on them. I believe they're from a Star Wars set, but I could be wrong. I'm sure someone in the comments can tell you exactly what they're from. So we've got just 12 tiles across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Holding those tiles together are just some plates. So this is two 1x4 dark blue plates. Again, I could have held these together with some non-dark blue plates, but I just tried to stick with what I had. So these are wing plates. So that connects it into three nice segments. And then the dark blue bricks that I've got just sort of fill up a 3x10 space. So got a 2x1 or 1x4 and a 1x4 back here, connecting everything together. And a 1x2 and a 1x4. Over here we've got a 2x2 and a 2x4. Up front another 1x4, and on top of that 1x4, some 2x2s, and 2x2 and a 1x2. Again, I didn't even bother to fill out the rest because from the angle I filmed it, you can't even tell that the table's sort of lopsided and unfinished on the bottom. So again, there's just a nice simple dark blue table. So last bit today is this crazy looking lamp. So this lamp Starts out with 2 of these looped on top. That's going to be what's holding it up on the ground. This lamp is so top heavy that it needs to be anchored to something like a base plate for it to actually stand. I'm just going to put that stuff aside and work on the body of the lamp. So starting with this sort of propeller holder thing, got 2 of those in dark blue, connecting them with a Technic pin. Got some jumper plates here that I stuck into the hole on this one. Do that on both sides. And then just a 1x1 cone there that'll come into play later. Then over here I've got this 4 wide hole section that comes to a point. Got a 2x2 brick stuck in there. And this is just a 2x2 plate with a jumper plate on top. And you can see I've run out of dark blue, so I actually used black there. And then this connects very nicely if you put this hole there, and then the jumper plate there will connect to the 2x2. Do that on both sides. Get this nice sort of streamlined body for the lamp. Now we're gonna do one of the offshoots. So this is that same hole section. I'm using the other places. I've filled this area in with just a bunch of translucent studs. This could easily be 2 2x2 plates. Then I've got these tail fins. Stick 2 on like so. Some blue headlight bricks, because I love headlight bricks. And this bit down here is just this mini hull section with a orange 2x2 round translucent to be the light, except the headlight bricks go the other way. Sorry about that. So like so. And then this just comes off. Let's do it like that. Juts off the lamp to one side. On the other side, the only difference here is that the the tail fins are facing in instead of out, and that I make it go up. Otherwise, same sort of lamp piece. I'm gonna make this go out that way. Yeah, much better. On the top here, so I ran out of those hull pieces. So what I've got here are this thing from one of the Aqua Raiders sets with the anglerfish. So it's sort of a corner slopey, double corner slope piece, and one that doesn't have the eyes. They've got the 2x2 piece. Whole piece again, except here we've just got some headlight bricks, and this is sort of a hole topper to make that have a nice curve. Connect those like so. Then I've got the tail fins going off to the side this time, and connecting again to this bigger hull section with headlight bricks. And then this cylinder that we put in earlier is just gonna connect into that hull piece so that this bit of the lamp can actually move around to adjust to where you need it. Gonna turn the fish so it's not visible, fish eyes. And then you just put that whole bit on top of the very thin leg, and you've got that cool looking 3-prong lamp, a couch, and a table. Now you're ready for sitcom adventure time.